Okay, so again, very good morning. So in our last video, we have discussed about our topologies, in which we have discussed about network topologies, bus topology, ring topology, star topologies, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. But topologies, another part is named as logical topology. So in logical topology, we have to discuss about protocols. So protocols are very important in our network. So basically, what are protocols? Protocols are the set of rules for communication. Set of rules, like there are some rules for communication. Communication means data transfer. I want to send any information with you. I want to share some information with you. So I have some rules. Okay, like you can say protocol is like a language that computers can understand. Okay, so we have so many protocols. So let's discuss some basic protocols that are needed in our network industry. So I'm going to start with HTTP, which name is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And I will explain each and every protocol later. HTTPS, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. After that, FTP, we will discuss about FTP, that is file transfer protocol. And after that, ARP is very important protocol in CCNA also, address resolution protocol. After that, RARP, reverse address resolution protocol. After that, ICMP, this is also a protocol, internet control message protocol. Like protocols are very important. If you are doing networking, then you need to learn protocol. If you are doing cloud, also need to learn protocol. If you are doing ethical hacking or cyber security, then also you need to learn about the protocol. Because sometimes when you are doing ethical hacking and you don't know the protocols, then you are not able to check on website which protocol is open or which protocol is closed. Okay. So another protocol is SMTP. That name is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. POP3, version 3, Post Office Protocol. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. I will, and IMAP version 4 is used nowadays. I will explain each and every protocol, so no issues. First, I am making the list of protocols that are needed. Sorry, TFTP I skipped. TFTP is trivial file transfer protocol. After that, SMTP, POP3, IMAP, DNS. This is also a server as well as protocol. Domain name server. DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. Telnet is a protocol. It is also a full form. Telnet is telecommunication network. SSH, that is secure shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So done with this. Okay, so I think these protocols are enough, and if we skip any protocol, we will discuss later. Okay, now first of all, what is HTTP? HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Basically, HTTP is used for web server connectivity. This protocol helps you to connect with web server. Like for example, you want to connect with Facebook, Google, or any another web server. So by default, HTTP or HTTPS will be used with web server connectivity. Because when you are going to use like www.facebook.com, then you can check automatically before Facebook, HTTP or HTTPS will be connected. So that protocol is basically defined that you are going to connect with web server. So now the question is how protocol works. So protocol works on port numbers. Protocol works on port numbers. Port numbers are nothing. These are the entry and exit point. When we will discuss about OSI model, you will easily understand. Like we have total 0, 2, 6, 5, 5, 35 port. Total ports in our network industry. And from 0 to 1023 are open protocol, and 102426 535 are open. Sorry, these are reserved. Mistakenly, I told that it is open. Open protocol, port number, sorry, total protocol. These are port number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So each and every protocol is assigned with port numbers. So we have each and every port number. Okay. Like HTTP, if we discuss about HTTP, it is assigned 80 number port number. HTTPS is assigned with 443 port number. FTP is assigned with 21. ARP and RARP used for like connectivity for your IP to MAC and MAC to IP. So there is no port number here. ICMP port number is 1. SMTP port number is 25. Okay, port POP protocol. Sorry, I forgot. POP protocol port number is 110. Yes. Post office protocol port number is 110. I will write it. After that, TFT port number is 69. DNS port number is 53. Like when you will work on this, you will easily understand. DHCP port number 67, 68. Telnet is 23. Secure Shell is 22. And IMAP protocol is 143. 143. So when you will work on these type of things, you will learn this port number. So when you will start, for example, in future, you want to start ethical hacking, you need to know about these protocol port numbers. If you don't know the port number, you are not able to like access your devices. So basically, HTTP and HTTPS, both HTTP and HTTPS, both are used to connect with web server, but in HTTPS there is a security, like packet will be encrypted. Like if you use HTTPS, then nobody can perform man in middle attack. So HTTPS is secure protocol. Okay. Now FTP is known as file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is used to transfer the file from one location to another location. So on the global level, FTP can be used. Like if I am sitting in India and Dario is sitting in Angola, so I can easily transfer my file using file transfer protocol. Okay. So the important protocol is ARP and RARP. So what is ARP and RARP? Let's discuss with this. ARP is address resolution protocol, which is used to resolve IP to MAC address. Yesterday we have discussed about MAC address. MAC is media access control. Each and every laptop, every PC, every mobile is connected with MAC address. MAC address is the unique identity of device. Similarly, IP address is the logical identity. like example like 10.0.0.1, 192.168, 1.1. This is the identity. Okay, 172.16, 0.1. This is IP address. So if I have IP address and automatically from IP address to MAC address I want to learn, I have IP. You can understand it like IP address like your college roll number. Roll number is your identity and your name is your MAC address. So with the help of your roll number, I am finding your name. And similarly, reverse ARP is if you are finding MAC to IP, like MAC address is with you, and with the help of MAC address identity, you are finding IP address. That is your RARP. Okay. Reverse. After that, we have a protocol ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. ICMP protocol is used to check the connectivity. Between two devices. When you want to check, like this PC wants to connect with this PC. So you have to use in future one command, ping. Ping command will be used, and that command is used via ICMP protocol. So ICMP is used to check the connectivity between two devices. Okay. After that, we have a protocol SMTP, POP3 and IMAP. These three protocols are used in mailing process, email process. These are used. SMTP protocol is used if you want to transfer the email to mail server. Used to send the emails, like in Gmail, when you compose the mail and send, then this protocol helps you to transfer your email to mail server. And after that, these two protocols, POP3 and IMAP, you also check in the setting of Gmail. POP3 and IMAP both are used to download the mail from mail server. These protocols are used to download the mail from mail server. Okay, mails. Okay, there are so many emails. Okay, but in IMAP, message subject shown first, like message subject. There will be a subject of your message. POP3 is only download the emails. IMAP used to send your message subject with you. So automatically you will get a message subject first with the help of IMAP. After that, we have a protocol that is TFTP. TFTP is tribal FTP. Tribal FTP is same as FTP protocol. Like FTP used to transfer the file, TFTP is also used to transfer the file, but TFTP can used in intra-area also. Like for example, in my company, I have one PC. In one PC, I have so many videos, movies, and another data. Within this company, I can share this TFTP server. Everybody don't have to connect with internet. They can directly connect to normal Wi-Fi, which is not connected to internet, and access my TFTP. Like downloading the data in intranet. Okay, TFTP. So DNS is very important protocol. Like we have discussed about ARP and RARP, IP to MAC and MAC to IP. Similarly, DNS used to resolve IP to domain name and name to IP. Now, what is domain name? What is IP? So let's discuss what is domain name and what is IP address. Like your IP address is like 100.0.0.1, 200.0.0.1. But on web server, we have a domain like facebook.com. Facebook is a domain name. Google.com. Google is also a domain name. Okay. any company xyz.com. Okay, so if I have IP address, with the help of IP address, I can access the domain name. With the help of name, I can access IP. Okay, now I want to tell you one thing. If DNS server, for example, would not be there, okay, then if DNS is not there, you are not able to search with the help of domain name. You are not able to search. You have to access the web server with IP address only. So DNS is very important. Okay, so we will do the practical also in CCNA. After that, we have a protocol named DHCP. DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is used to provide IP address automatically to LAN device. So in our next practical, we have to discuss about what is IP address and another things. And for LAN PCs, like for example, we have 30 to 40 computers. Automatically, I want to provide IP address. Then I have to use DHCP protocol. So that we will discuss in practical also. And at last, I have a two protocol named Telnet and Secure Shell. Both protocols are used for remote connectivity. Like you want to access your router remotely, like your company gives you work from home and you are a network engineer. Now the server or router is in your company and you are in your house. So with the help of Telnet Telnet protocol and SSH protocol, you can connect your router remotely from your home location. But in Telnet, the packets are not encrypted. So in Secure Shell, the packets are encrypted. Okay. So both the protocol used for remote connectivity. So these are the protocols. Like these are the part of logical topologies. So your physical topology is done and your logical topology is done. In our next video, we are going to discuss about OSI model, which is your 7-layer approach, open system interconnect model. And also we will discuss about TCP/IP model. Until then, thank you so much.